What happened to Papa? Oh, you put Papa. You take care of Papa. You take care ba?
Dad! And blueberries is not like grass. I'll tell you that.
What happened to Papa, Kuya?
Ayumi pumut ko ng ayumi.
Nah, be. Show Papa, be. Check Papa's mouth. Check Papa's mouth.
Well, you don't want that food in the fridge. That doesn't belong to you either. If you want to keep eating it, I suggest you get to work. That's quite loud.
You thought Papa's always strong?
I usually win.
Anyway.